My name's Levi Shinsky, and my SAE is pivot servicing.
My name's Jossie, and my SAE is selling my chicken's eggs.
My name is Greta Knuth, and my SAE is Dairy Queen.
An SAE, or Supervised Agricultural Experience, provides hands-on learning.
Basically what we do, pivot servicing, we do sprinkler packages. Like right now, this is a drop package. We can do top packages where you put the sprinklers on top, and just mobile pivot servicing, like airing up tires, checking gearbox oils, and then if a center drive's out, put a new center drive in, mainly in the fall and the spring, and then a lot of times during the summer.
I have, most of our breeds we hatched, so those are all mixed, but we have a Silky, we have some Americanas, some Rhode Island Reds, some Wyandottes. She's a golden laced Wyandotte. We have some production blues and Orpingtons, I think.
My SAE is a lot of different components. There's a customer service component where I'm working with customers and working with my coworkers as well. And then there's leaning and wiping down stuff and then making all the product, remembering what goes in blizzards and how to make like burgers and stuff.
Students enjoy many parts of their work.
Favorite part of my SAE is probably, taking care of pivots, making sure they're all running right for the long, hard season.
My favorite part of my SAE, I think, is learning new things, like how to take care of animals. And I love showing my chickens. I started that last year, and it's just really fun.
My favorite part of the SAE is probably getting to interact with the people and learning how much people change over time. Like, I've worked with the same person for about 3 years now, and watching how he changed from like beginning all the way to the end is pretty incredible because he's a high schooler like me, and getting to see that maturity level is pretty cool.
No project can go without its challenges.
The hardest part is taking off all the old goosenecks because they're all rusted in, so they're kind of a pain to take out. How do I fix it? Take a hammer and beat them all the way off. That, or I'll take the saw and cut them off. It takes a lot of patience.
The hardest part of my SAE is when I have some chickens die, because then we just don't get as many eggs, or during the winter they just don't lay as much eggs. During the winter, I get like maybe 8, maybe 12 sometimes if it's a warmer day during the winter. But during the summer, I get like 3 dozen a day. The cold in the winter, we now have them in an insulated area, so it's a little bit warmer than it was with their old coop. But we also try to give them higher laying percentage feed to help them lay more. A skill I've learned is that you need to water your chickens every single day. Just need to make sure they are all taken care of, and you need to make sure their coop is all cleaned out. Otherwise, they can end up getting stuff like infections like bumblefoot or any kinds of different bugs and stuff.
The hardest part of my project is probably getting through like conflicts and stuff. Since most of us are high schoolers, there's a lot of like pettiness and kind of like, okay, I don't really like you, but then like pushing through that and learning to work with those kids, even though they kind of like get on my nerves. A skill I've learned through those projects is probably time management. You kind of have to work on getting out as fast as you can so you're not past like when we close. Time management by like making sure I do all the cleaning jobs before a certain time, and then making sure we're continuing doing product and stuff.